So we're hearing a lot of buzz about the hybrid cloud. What is a hybrid cloud? Well, it's a combination of resource pools from the public arena and those that you control within your own facilities. We've built one with an EMC with our partners from Macquarie Telecom providing those public resources. So the first thing you can see from within our hybrid cloud services is the service catalog. That's from the place from where your users or your business users will consume those resources. And you can offer anything from within your service catalog. Anything from your virtual machines and various flavors of that, through to platform services, security, account management. It's up to you. Maybe you'd even go with Hadoop as a service through the big data extensions. What you've seen here is I've requested one virtual machine and then gone in, submitted that, created a second one. Absolutely no difference from the user's perspective. Operationally and the way it presents itself, they are identical. Big difference is one was in the private cloud and one was in the public cloud. But it's not just about consuming those resources. You want to know how much is it costing you to deliver them. And that's where VMware's IT Business Management Suite comes in. That gives you the analysis of the costs that are associated with delivering your cloud services. And that can be customized to be a true reflection on your costs from the capital expenditure and operational sides to that. But it also then allows you to be comparative to what the current price levels are from public services such as Amazon and Azure. So back into the self-service portal, well, actually the business management suite's also within there, but we can now see that our VMs are created and that we have a range of actions that are available from within that. And that's completely up to yourself what actions you make available to the users and what actions you define. It provides that single point of control for your users so they don't have to go off to element managers. But hybrid cloud's not about just consuming and costs. What about standardization? You've defined your build capabilities, you've got your management frameworks and everything in. You don't want to, when you burst into the public arena, have those not available or have those diminished, the values of those diminished. That's the first thing that a vCloud connector can provide you, is the ability to synchronize your catalogs between all your various clouds. So you can have your build masters in one location and then have those replicated to all other cloud arenas. Very cool, keeps your standards going. The other thing you get is mobility. The ability to shift your virtual machines either through copy or what is referred to as a stretch deploy as what you're seeing here now. What is a stretch deploy? Well, if you think about the steps to migrate a virtual machine to an alternate location, you usually have to manipulate that in some way to the environmentals of that new location. At the very least, change the networking details around that. What a stretch deploy does is leverages the software-defined capabilities within the vSphere stack and stretches the network over to the alternate location. So stretches that container over the other side, while the virtual machine itself requires no change. So by stretching the infrastructure and the networking, the virtual machine is powered up on the other side and retains all its capabilities and connectivity back to the original source location as if it still resided in there. They need to burst out without any operational change. So we've seen the single point of access through the self-service portal. We've seen cost transparency. We've seen build standardization with the templates. And we've seen mobility. How cool is the hybrid cloud enabled by VMware and brought to you by EMC? Get into it now.